What if I told you that buying a luxury car after the warranty expires could be one of the smartest financial decisions you'll ever make? Sounds insane, right? But there's a 2010 Mercedes E-Class in California with 350,000 miles that has cost less to maintain than a Honda Civic. And it still rides like a cloud floating on butter. Today, we're counting down 12 luxury cars that become absolute bargains once the warranty runs out. Cars that lose massive value up front, then quietly turn into long-term money hacks. And stick around, because number one will shock you. It's a luxury car that actually becomes more reliable with age. Number 12, Infiniti Q50 Red Sport, 2016 to 2020. When Infiniti engineers designed the Q50 Red Sport, they clearly forgot one important rule of luxury cars. You're supposed to build expensive problems into them. Instead, they accidentally built one of the most boring luxury cars for mechanics, because nothing ever breaks. The twin-turbo VR30 V6 makes 400 horsepower, but it's tougher than it has any right to be. Nissan tested this engine in brutal conditions, and the result was a drivetrain so reliable that even Infiniti warranty managers started questioning their career choices. Here's the secret: depreciation. These cars lose 60% of their value in 5 years, then completely level off. Suddenly, you're getting German-level performance with Japanese reliability at used Hyundai prices. Independent shops love them. No dealer-only tools, no proprietary nightmares, and when parts finally wear out, they cost half of what BMW charges. Infiniti didn't mean to do it, but they built the perfect post-warranty luxury car. Number 11, Genesis G80, 2017 to 2020. Genesis looked at German luxury brands charging $80,000 for cars that need $5,000 repairs every year and said, hold our kimchi. The 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6 is hilariously over-engineered. It's not flashy, it doesn't chase performance records, it just runs smoothly, quietly, endlessly. Genesis didn't just match German luxury, they exceeded it, while building reliability so strong, their 10-year warranty actually looks conservative. Even the air suspension, usually a luxury car death sentence, was redesigned with redundancy that would make NASA proud. While BMW owners budget thousands for suspension failures, G80 owners just drive. 5-year-old G80s sell for Camry money and deliver flagship luxury without the financial anxiety. Number 10, Lexus GS 350 F Sport, 2013 to 2020. Lexus built the GS to prove that luxury didn't have to mean drama. What they accidentally created was a sedan so reliable that mechanics started recommending it to their own parents. The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 is criminally understressed. At highway speeds, it barely feels like it's working. The 8-speed automatic doesn't chase gimmicks. It just works smoothly forever. Here's what makes the GS special post-warranty. It actually gets better with age. The leather softens, the suspension settles perfectly. The drivetrain loosens just enough to feel even smoother. The F Sport package adds real performance hardware, tested on the Nürburgring, without sacrificing Lexus durability. Smart money buys a 5-year-old GS and drives it for the next 15 years. Number 9, Porsche Cayenne S, 2011 to 2018. When Porsche applied sports car reliability standards to an SUV, they created something unexpected. A luxury SUV that survives daily abuse without falling apart. The naturally aspirated and supercharged engines regularly cross 200,000 miles while maintaining their smoothness. Porsche refused to cheap out even when scaling production. Door handles tested for 100,000 cycles. Seat motors built to survive decades. Mechanical systems designed like race components, just detuned for real life. After year 6, depreciation flattens hard. You get Porsche build quality and real SUV practicality at prices that finally make sense. While Range Rover owners panic and BMW owners chase cooling issues, Cayenne owners are just driving. Number 8, Cadillac XTS Platinum, 2013 to 2019. Cadillac quietly built one of the best post-warranty luxury sedans nobody talks about. The naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 was tested in police fleets, taxis, and commercial duty. If it survives that, it survives anything. Then there's magnetic ride control. Pure genius. No air springs, no leaks, just electromagnetic dampers adjusting thousands of times per second. German luxury owners hate this part. These cars lose 65% of their value, then stabilize as buyers realize how reliable they actually are. $60,000 luxury for $20,000 without the German repair bills. Number 7, Acura RLX Sport Hybrid. 2014 to 2020. Honda's luxury flagship wasn't built to impress influencers, it was built to last forever. 3 electric motors, 1 naturally aspirated V6. A drivetrain so over-engineered it feels unfair. No drive shafts, no differentials, no traditional AWD components to fail. Post-warranty ownership is laughably predictable. Oil changes, tires, and that's basically it. The RLX is a luxury car for people who hate surprises. Number 6. BMW 550i 2011 to 2016. Yes, a BMW. After BMW finally fixed the N63 V8, they accidentally built the 550i they always should have. Cooling issues resolved. Fuel system redesigned. Paired with a bulletproof 8-speed automatic, you get near M5 performance, real luxury comfort, and, shockingly, reliability. Depreciation makes them accessible. Independent shops can handle them, and the performance to maintenance ratio finally makes sense. Number 5, Lexus LS 460, 2007 to 2017. This was Toyota flexing. The naturally aspirated V8 is so overbuilt it feels immortal. The ride quality is absurd. The silence is unsettling. Everything was designed with a 20-year lifespan in mind, not a lease cycle. These cars don't break, they just accumulate miles. Number 4, Genesis G90, 2017 to 2020. Genesis looked at S-Class repair bills and said, absolutely not. The 5.0-liter V8 is mechanical poetry. The air suspension was redesigned from the ground up. The interior rivals cars costing twice as much. Maintenance schedules read like a joke. This is one of the best luxury deals ever created. Number 3, Porsche Panamera S, 2014 to 2016. A 4-door Porsche that refuses to age poorly. Supercar performance, PDK reliability perfected, chassis engineering that feels indestructible. Depreciation does the heavy lifting. Buyers get 6-figure engineering for a fraction of the price. Number 2, Mercedes-Benz S550, 2014 to 2020. Mercedes finally redeemed themselves. The W222 S-Class fixed the mistakes of the early 2000s and brought real durability back to flagship luxury. Redesigned engines, overbuilt air suspension, electronics meant to last. Post-warranty, this is the S-Class that actually makes sense. Number 1, Lexus LS 600 HL 2008 to 2015. Nothing else comes close. This wasn't just a luxury car. It was Toyota proving a point. Hybrid efficiency, V8 smoothness, reliability bordering on immortality. The battery system was designed to last the life of the car. The drivetrain was tested beyond absurd standards. Everything was built with decades in mind. Post-warranty ownership feels like cheating. Luxury that rivals Rolls-Royce. Reliability that embarrasses modern cars. Engineering that refuses to die. Those are 12 luxury cars that become incredible bargains after the warranty expires. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. And remember, sometimes the smartest money doesn't buy new. It buys luxury cars that are just getting started.